Hi guys, this is GSN.com and I'm here with the unboxing of the Samsung Galaxy A8 2018. So yes, here we have it. We did a preview last week and we already have it for an unboxing, so let's go, let's check it out. So this device was unveiled a couple of weeks ago, just as the last year was ending, and here we have it. You can call it a sort of Galaxy S8 mini and also the spiritual successor of the Galaxy A5 2017. As you can see, there's no longer a home button here. It has pretty narrow bezels, the 18.5 to 9 aspect ratio, and the price tag should be around $560. So this is the Samsung Galaxy A8 2018. There is also a special A8 Plus version. We do not have that yet. This one is a 5.6 incher and it's available in a variety of colors like orchid gray, blue, gold or black. Obviously we have the black version. So there is glass at the back, glass at the front, metal framing between, and let's see what's inside the box because this is an unboxing after all. So here we have the metal key. Yes, indeed, metal key, and also the quick start guide for the phone so you can learn everything there is to learn about it. Then we have the charger, which should offer something like 9 volt 1.67 ampere or 5 volt 2 ampere charging, which is fast charging, and a pair of headphones which remind me of the ones usually offered with the Samsung mid-rangers and also the Galaxy S5. And finally, an USB cable. Let's see what type it is. It's of the USB Type-C variety, reversible and modern. Okay, so we put everything back as it was. I'm expecting some seriously good results from the fast charger, fingers crossed. And here we go, firing up the Samsung Galaxy A8 2018. The core new feature, dual front camera, a pairing of a 16 and 8 megapixel sensor. So other than that, we have a 5.6-inch Super AMOLED screen with a 2220 over 1080 pixel resolution. The phone is IP68 certified for waterproofing and dust proofing, and it opts for an Exynos 7885 octa CPU with the Mali G71 GPU. Now let's speak English and proceed with the unboxing. Here we go, English. Okay, start. Nope, not picking this one. Next, agreeing to all the terms. Next again. So I should probably tell you that the phone runs Android 7.1.1. I'm guessing it should receive audio fast, hopefully faster than the launch of the Galaxy S9. I hope it gets it by then. And other specs include 4 GB of RAM, 32 or 64 GB of storage, a micro SD card slot, and yes, we also have Bixby on board, the famous virtual assistant. Other than that, lithium-ion 3000 mAh battery, fast charging, USB Type-C port at the bottom, and they also left the audio jack intact right here, luckily. And this is the main interface, the Samsung Experience 8 on top of Android Nougat. Since we do not have a physical home button up front, they move the fingerprint scanner at the back below the main camera. Speaking of which, it's a 16 megapixel shooter with f1.7 aperture, LED flash, no optical image stabilization, and at the front the kicker, 16 plus 8 megapixel. There are two cameras with f1.9 aperture and a bokeh feature. Now there's Bluetooth 5.0, there's NFC, and the whole thing measures 8.4 millimeters in thickness and weighs 172 grams. We got the speaker placed here on the side, and an interesting approach. One of the slots is here at the top, probably the SIM one, and the other one is here, probably the one for the micro SD. I could be wrong and we could have them reversed. Anyways, it's good to know that they're being separated. We got Microsoft apps like Word, Excel, PowerPoint, OneDrive, and even LinkedIn, and I'm pretty curious about the camera interface. So last week I got to play with the phone a bit. I also did a benchmark and achieved 84,000 points in Antutu, not very impressive. Anyways, we are here for the camera. These are the core options: Auto, Pro, Panorama, Hyperlapse, Night, Food, and more to download. You can do zooming like this with a slider, and then if you activate the front camera, you can actually use the live focus, which is here, and allows you to create a depth of field feature, which basically will blur everything around me and will leave the face highlighted when doing that. Okay, so that's about it in a nutshell. Those are the features of the device. There's also Bixby Vision and more to discover over the next days. It's called Samsung Galaxy A8 2018. It's got a new format for the Galaxy A series, and it's certainly good looking, but the price tag, is it worth it? You'll find out in the full review in a couple of days. This is from gsnroom.com. Bye bye.